Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a Krishna sketch step by step. We'll start by laying down the foundational shapes. First, lightly sketch an oval for the head and a central vertical line for the body. Then, add horizontal lines for the shoulders and hips, keeping them proportionate. Use simple circles and rectangles to build the basic structure, ensuring the head is about 1/8 of the total body height. This initial framework is crucial for a well-proportioned drawing. Now, let's refine the form and add those distinctive features. Gently connect your initial shapes with smooth lines to define the body's contours. Next, focus on the face, sketching large, expressive eyes and a serene, gentle smile. Don't forget the iconic peacock feather adorning his head and the flute held delicately in his hands. Emphasize the graceful, slightly bent posture, which is a hallmark of Krishna's depiction, bringing life to your sketch. Moving on, we'll dress our Krishna sketch with his traditional attire and beautiful accessories. Begin by drawing the flowing dhoti, making sure it drapes naturally and gracefully around his legs. Next, add a lovely garland of flowers around his neck, along with various ornaments on his arms and wrists. Don't forget his regal crown or headpiece, often adorned with intricate patterns and sparkling jewels. These details truly enhance the divine appearance of your drawing. Finally, let's bring your Krishna sketch to life with shading and some finishing touches. Use light shading to create depth and dimension, paying close attention to the folds in his clothing. Then, apply darker tones to define shadows and highlight the contours of his body and facial features. Carefully erase any remaining construction lines to achieve a clean, polished look. Take a moment to review your entire drawing for overall balance and make any final adjustments needed. You've done a wonderful job.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.